Hi guys, I'm Elefteria, and in this video we'll see some Thai acupressure techniques for the back. We're mainly going to work on the Itha and Pingkala Sen lines. So, first of all, I'm going to show you the Itha and Pingkala Sen lines on the back. I have a spine model here. So, the Itha and Pingkala Sen lines are located here, next to the transverse processes of the spine. These are the spinous processes which we're not supposed to touch. So, the acupressure points I'm going to work on are located here and here. I'm going to start with a little bit of jab sen. First, I'm going to do stretches on the back. I'm doing 4 stretches. And now I'm going to do palm walking on the back. This is necessary in order to warm up the tissues. And now I will start working on the acupressure points. So, we have 3 acupressure points here below the ilium. First point is next to the sacrum. I'm doing friction for 10 seconds and then I press. Second point is 3 fingers next to second point, again below the ilium. And third point is again below the ilium. Then I'm going to work on some acupressure points which are here on the lumbar spine. You're not supposed to press too hard on these acupressure points because a person may have degenerative issues on the intervertebral discs. So, first point is here. It is above the sacrum and next to the 5th lumbar vertebra. I'm doing friction for 10 seconds, really gentle, and then I press. Again. Next point is next to the 4th lumbar vertebra. Again, I work gently. And the third point is next to the 3rd lumbar vertebra. Always, after doing acupressure on a point, do some gentle friction with the entire palm and some kneading. A little bit of rocking. And then I will start working on the acupressure points which are located between the shoulder blades here. These are excellent for upper back pain. On these points I can actually press a little bit harder. So this is the first point. Again, I'm doing friction for 10 seconds and then I press. It is always a good idea to press these acupressure points upon exhalation. Next point is again between the shoulder blades, on the thoracic spine, of course. Again, I'm working between the shoulder blades. And the last point should be here, it's next to the 2nd thoracic vertebra. This point would be also good to work on for Dowager's kyst. Again, after working on these points a little bit hard, it's always a good idea to do circular friction and a bit of kneading. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe and to check out my books on Amazon. I've written many books on Thai medicine and Thai massage. Thank you very much.